I'm Lucky Flickerman, and welcome to day number 2 of the 10th annual Hunger Games. Now, while most of you were getting your beauty sleep last night, something scintillating occurred. Bobbin, from District 8, slaughtered. Which of these beasts slayed Bobbin from District 8? Either way doesn't matter. 10 tributes remain. Reaper still at the top of the boards.
They aren't showing us what happened to that little boy. He clearly was killed right there. There's cameras everywhere. Doesn't make sense.
And you said they were old cameras, Lizzie. Probably just another one of Coral's.
Festus, sit down. Same seats.
Lizzie, what is he doing?
Something's wrong. He wouldn't turn on her like this.
Jessup, going after Lucy.
Go to the stands, go to the stands.
Stop running! What are you What did you do to me?
Both tributes from District 12. Same district. Folding in on itself.
Wait, look. The foam. I think it's rabies.
That bite. From that train.
Send him water.
Wait, what?
You remember the posters in the war? Rabies, it makes you afraid of water. Send him a drone.
Scare him.
Yes. Away from her. Jessup is done. Lizzie, you're the only one that can get it right to him.
Miss Vickers going for her community pad early.
Thank you.
Sending a drone.
Nothing to be proud of. Please.
What's wrong with me? What did you do to me?
Oh!
Jessup. I'm not going anywhere. Okay? You watched over me, now I'm watching over you. Sleep now, just sleep. Okay.
Lucy Gray.
You stay right there.
Oh, look at this. The pack doing what they do best. Packing it in. Lucy Gray swarmed, cornered. Mizzen propellering his net. Mr. Snow going for his community pad.
Hey, Crow, do you mind if I take this one?
Not a chance.
These drones are not very good.
Hey! You can't attack the tributes.
I'm just sending water.
You idiots. How did you possibly let her get away?
I can see a thing.
Get this water into a pile, lumberjack. And then when you're done, you two can watch that beam while we get your little friend from back home up there at least.
No.
Again, a fall, ending a tributes game.
Wake up!
Lucy Gray, on the move, and so is Pup Harrington. Thank you, Pup.
You're useless!
I wish we had a camera inside of the duct, but we don't. But we will next year.